Hello everyone! So may mga humihingi ng lesson plan ng format or example ng lesson plan ng A to J na format which is detailed na siya. So mayroon ako ditong detailed na lesson plan which is revise ko siya, ginawa ko siyang detailed kasi nga dati sini-detailed ito kulang teachers activity at saka student activity. So ngayon ginawan ko siya ng detailed which is my student and my teachers activity siya. So ito siya everyone, this is lesson plan in mathematics. So, ito yung kanyang content standard, performance standard, learning competencies na makikita sa NELCS. At ito naman yung kanyang content, 6 trigonometric ratios. Ito yung topic natin for today. Ito naman yung kanyang learning resources, yung pinagkunan mo kung saan naman kinuha itong mga, like for example, mga activity niya or yung mga nalalaman ng iyong lesson plan. Dito yan sa learning resources. Ayan. Dito naman sa procedures, everyone, ito siya sa preliminary activities for the teacher activity and pupils activity or the students activity. So, ito yung aking review. Ayan. So, ito naman yung aking establishing lesson or establishing purpose of the new lesson. Kasi from A to J yan eh. So, yung letter B natin or ito yung pagpapresent natin ng kanyang objectives. Yun, establishing purpose of the new lesson. And ito naman, presenting instances of the new lesson. Ito na yung sa motivation na siya. So, ito yung ginawa kong pang motivation. Ayan. So, ito naman, discussing new concept and practicing new skills. So, ito na yung parang introduction na niya sa topic. Ayun. So, ito siya. And, ayun. So, discussing new concept. Ito naman yung meron na tayong mga examples. Ayan. Ayan, dito na tayo meron tayong examples on how to get the 6 trigonometric ratios. Ayan. Diba? Meron tayong examples. Find. Ayan, example 1, find the tangent theta, cotangent theta. Ayan, example 2. Ayan, ito siya. Diba? Diba? May example 1, example 2. And for the F, developing mastery, ito na yung meron tayong group work or board work. And ito naman yung practicing practical applications. So, yun yung magka-question ka, saan mo magagamit yung 6 trigonometric ratios? Ayan, sa real-life situation. And making generalizations or abstraction, ito siya, the question and answer. And then we have the evaluating learning. Dito tayo merong, of course, evaluation. And of course, the activity. The assignment, I mean. And ito yung mga reflections or remarks. Diba? Ayun. So, we have prepared by teacher applicant. Kung ikaw ay magpaparanking, pero kung magsisiyaw ka therefore teacher, o anong pangalan mo, and then teacher. Okay. So, that's all for today, everyone. Sana nakatulong sa yung video na ito. Kung nangangailangan pa kayo ng video, iba't ibang video na gusto nyong i-video ko, feel free to comment sa ating comment section at gagawa tayo ng video patungkol dyan. So, that's all for today, everyone. Goodbye and God bless.